Baby, come on. Baby.
Join our line. March back, boys. One chest for one and Japan.
Hello. Hello, mic check. Hello. Hello.
हिंदुस्तान, दूसरा हिंदुस्तान।
We'll be starting the program very shortly. Please maintain silence.
Indeed, what Allama Iqbal said was absolutely true. Today and forever, India stands tall amongst all the countries in the world. We are its nightingales, this is our garden. Dear teachers, parents and my dear students, we stand here with bliss and delight blended with a nostalgic sorrow. Sorrow as we lost our freedom fighters, sad that India got partitioned in 1947. It also pains that great day, Independence Day. We can never forgo their sacrifices. On this day, we humbly pay our tribute to the great leaders who chiseled a free India. We, the citizens of India, irrespective of our age, race, religion or gender, we must strive to fulfill our constitutional and civic duties. Only then we can ensure accountable and good governance in the present and future. As the citizens of a proud nation, let us celebrate the day in the memory of our champions of liberty, and may this 78th Independence Day celebration resonate the Montessorian arena and vibrate the world with welcoming wishes. This morning holds a special call, a story of struggle, now a tale of might. From a fragile fence to a flourishing light, neither pain nor time could hold us back, not even the British clock's relentless attack. We are fortunate to breathe this liberty air, remembering sacrifices, fraternity, and the courage we share. With faith to keep the spirit aglow, with josh to make our nation proud and grow, let's raise our voices loud and clear. Jai Ho! Children, repeat after me. Children, in these little paths flow, don't hesitate. We'll hear only one voice, strong and bright, voice of success shining with all our might. Jai Hind!
This occasion, as we gather here to celebrate the 78th Independence Day of our great nation, India, I would like to take the privilege to welcome Dr. Krishna Mohan Sir, the Director, Montessori Senior Secondary School. It's our honor to invite Mrs. Ramajyoti ma'am, our headmistress, and our beloved Mrs. Shashikala ma'am, and our dedicated and beloved Mrs. Kalyani ma'am to come onto the stage. Send the stage, please. A grand welcome to all the teachers and dear students. Let's celebrate together with energy and excitement that this special day deserves.
Monica and group. National song. Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram. Sujalam Sufalam Maleja Shitalam Sasya Samalam Mataram. Sujalam Sufalam Maleja Shitalam Sasya Samalam Mataram. Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram. Drumadala Shobini Suhasini Sumadura Bashini Mataram. Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram. Koti koti kanta kala kala nirada karale, koti koti bhujai dhruta kala kala vale, koti koti kanta kala kala. Bahubala tarinim namami tarinim tripudala varinim mataram. Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram. Tumi vidya, tumi dharma, tumi hrudi, tumi marma. Tumi vidya, tumi dharma, tumi hrudi, tumi marma. Vam hi prana sharire, bahute tumi ma shakti, hridaye tumi ma bhakti, bahute tumi ma shakti, hridaye tumi ma bhakti. Tomare pratima gani mandir mandir vande mataram, vande mataram, vande mataram, vande mataram.
We would like to welcome Mr. Rashikar Sir, Director, Montessori Institutions, to grace the stage and lead us in celebrating.
Teachers and my dear friends, my name is Priya Shah, student of class 5 from Chrysalis. I am honored to stand before you to share my thoughts on this special occasion of Independence Day. It's a day when we remember the great freedom fighters who sacrificed so much for our country, but also thinking about our futures. Our country has achieved so much since 1947, from advancements in science and technology has the opportunity to achieve their dreams. Imagine an India where everyone access to good education, where farmers are prosperous, where our cities are clean and green. As students, we have an important role to play in making Viksit Bharat a reality. We can start by studying hard, being kind to others, and helping our communities. Small actions like planting trees, saving water, and respecting our elders can make a big difference. Let us pledge today to do our best for our country. Let's work towards a future where India shines even brighter. Together we can build a strong, healthy and happy nation. Jai Hind.
We have the girls from First Chrysalis.
Freedom burning in your land. The fire of freedom burning in your land. For an India strong and good, it will now depend on you. For an India strong and good, it will now depend on you. Keep the fire of freedom burning in your land. Keep it going in your heart. Keep it going in your heart. For it's just a simple choice to obey the inner voice. For it's just a simple choice to obey the inner voice. Keep the fire of freedom burning in your land. Keep it going in your heart. Keep it going in your heart. For it's just a simple choice to obey the inner voice. For it's just a simple choice to obey the inner voice. Keep the fire of freedom burning in your land. Keep your presence round the world. Keep it changing round the world. For no matter what you do, it will all come back to you. For no matter what you do, it will all come back to you. Keep the fire of freedom burning in your land. Keep it changing round the world. Keep it changing round the world. For no matter what you do, it will all come back to you. For no matter what you do, it will all come back to you. The fire of freedom burning in your land. 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 The fire of freedom burning in your land.
The lively audience and my dear students. Today, as we stand united under the tricolor celebrating the 78th anniversary of our independence, let us not merely commemorate the past, but envision a future where India emerges as a global superpower. A future where the dreams of our freedom fighters are fully realized as India proudly takes its place on the global stage like a developed nation. Our journey towards this ambitious goal has been marked by extraordinary strides. India's rise in space exploration is a proof of our scientific prowess. From Chandrayaan's lunar odyssey to Mangalyaaan's interplanetary voyage, we have enshrined our name among the pioneers of space technology. These achievements are not just deeds of engineering, but symbols of our nation's determination to conquer new frontiers. India is now a global food basket, ensuring food security for millions. Our farmers, with their tireless efforts and the support of modern technology, have transformed our fields into gold mines to be self-reliant, a fundamental principle cherished in the vision of our freedom fighters. Our armed forces, with unmatched valor and unyielding determination, safeguard our borders and contribute to global peace and stand as guardians of our sovereignty. India's military might is a deterrent to aggression and a symbol of our nation's strength. Undoubtedly, India is the world's fourth most powerful military. The Indian economy has witnessed unprecedented growth. Our thriving startups and unicorn companies led by young and innovative entrepreneurs are not only redefining industries but also playing a vital role in the country's economic landscape, propelling growth and creating a ripple effect of prosperity. Unarguably, India ranks fifth in the world GDP. Infrastructure development is the lifeline of a nation, from world-class highways to modern airports, from high-speed rail networks to digital connectivity, be it Vande Bharat trains or express highways or the national corridor. India is building a robust infrastructure, transforming our cities into global hubs. Digital India is no longer a dream but a reality. Technology has permeated every facet of our lives, from e-governance to digital payments, from online education to telemedicine. We are capitalizing the power of technology to create a more efficient and sustainable India. Predictably, UPI payments have achieved pan-India acceptance. And above all, our greatest asset is our human resource. The young minds of India, that is you, bursting with talent and potential, are the architects of India's future. As a nation with median age of 28, India is on the edge of a 5-decade youth quake, utilizing the energy and creativity of its vibrant demography. However, our journey is far from over. Remember, freedom is not merely the absence of chains, but the opportunity to soar to heights unimaginable. It's the power to question, to innovate, to challenge the status quo. You have the potential to be the next Patel, Bose or Azad, inspiring change. The next Kalam or Sarabhai, igniting scientific breakthroughs. Or the next Manu, Srijesh, Rohit or Dhoni, uniting the nation through your talent. To achieve this, we need a mindset shift. It's not just about government initiatives, it's about individual responsibility. As the responsible individuals, the leaders of tomorrow, embrace the technology, but never forget your roots. Blend tradition with modernity and let your dreams be as vast as the Indian Ocean. This journey to Viksit Bharat will not be easy, but it is achievable. Let us walk this path together with determination, optimism and a shared vision. Together, we can build India that is not just developed, but inspiring and world-leading. And let us reclaim the status of Vishwa Guru. Together, we will script a saga of Viksit Bharat by 2047, where technology meets tradition, innovation ignites inclusivity, and progress harmonizes with preservation. Viksit Bharat is not just a dream, but a destiny we are crafting together. Let's fuel the fire of innovation, empower the marginalized, and sustain our nation where every heartbeat echoes. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Viksit Bharat.
To sing a song,
government vision is transform our country into a developed nation by 2047, marking the 100th year of independence. Reminds us for our brave heroes who fought for our freedom and made our country proud. We are grateful for the sacrifices they made so that we can live in a free and happy nation. Independence Day is a time for us to remember that freedom is precious and should never be taken for granted. It's a day to celebrate our beautiful country and all the wonderful things that make it unique. As children, we are the future of this nation. Let's promise to hard work, be kind and help each other so that we can build an even better and brighter future for everyone. Happy Independence Day to all. Let's celebrate with joy and pride. Jai Hind.
Listen to him.
मम भाषा संस्कृतं मम देशो भारतं मम भाषा संस्कृतं जन्मभूमिरस्माकं भारतं भारतं जन्मभूमिरस्माकं भारतं भारतं जननी स्वामयस्य संस्कृतं संस्कृतं जननी स्वामयस्य संस्कृतं संस्कृतं अनानन्त विश्ववीत शौर्यधैर्य कीर्तिशैत भारत भारतीया वयं भारतीया वयं भारतीया वयं पुण्यभूमिरस्माकं भारतं भारतं पुण्यभूमिरस्माकं भारतं भारतं करणेन सर्वधर्मसंस्कृता संस्कृता करणेन सर्वधर्मसंस्कृता संस्कृता हिंदू मुस्लिम सिख क्रिस्त जाति मत विभागरहित भारती भारतीया वयं भारतीया वयं भारतीया वयं हिंदू मुस्लिम सिख क्रिस्त जाति मत विभागरहित भारतीया वयं भारतीया वयं भारतीया वयं
మూడు రంగుల జెండా మెరిసిపోతున్నది చూడరా ఆకాశం మురిసిపోతున్నది మూడు రంగుల జెండా మెరిసిపోతున్నది చిన్న పెద్ద గొంతు కలిపి గణగణమన పాడే వేళ గుండె నిండా మంచితనం పంచి కట్టులు భారత నేల ఏ దేశం వెళ్ళినా ఎక్కడ చూసినా భారత భూమే గొప్పదిరా ధర్మాన్ని పాటిస్తూ న్యాయంగా బ్రతుకుతా ఈ మట్టి మీద తత్వముర జై హింద్ జై హింద్ జై హింద్ జై హింద్ చిన్నారి కన్నుల్లో ఎనలేని ఆనందం ఉందే నిండుగా త్యాగాలు భరించి సంఖ్యలు తెంచిన నేడే పండగ చిన్నారి కన్నుల్లో ఎనలేని ఆనందం ఉందే పండగ సర్వమత సన్నిధిరా సనాతన సంస్కృతిరా శాంతి చాటి ప్రేమ చూపే దేశం మనదిరా జై హింద్ జై హింద్ జై హింద్ జై హింద్ కనుల కొరువు సిరుల గిరుల తరుల నెలవు విశ్వానికి గురు
తల్లి భర్త భూమి చరితల్నే వింటుంటే పులకించే తనువు సృష్టిలోని శాంతి బీజం ఆదుకునే దయా గుణం చావుకైన రొమ్ము చూపే దేశం భారతం జై హింద్ జై హింద్.
Thank you, girls. Now here we have little Adya presenting Jai Ho Bharat. Claps for her.
సార్ అమ్మాయి ఫేస్ కనిపించదు.
బుజ్జి
హాయ్ సార్.
సార్
హాయ్ సార్.
అయ్యా థ్యాంక్స్ తీసుకెళ్తాను.
With great respect and excitement, let's welcome our esteemed champions, Sri T.J. Venkateshwar.
అవి ఇవ్వండి.
సార్ ఓకే సార్. సార్ ఓకే
ప్లీజ్.
To celebrate this auspicious day, your presence.
Parade Commander, Sergeant. We have our esteemed guest, Mr. T.J. Venkateshwar, along with all our dignitaries inspecting the troops of the parade. Our India today is radiant in every dimension and resounding with our 6 outstanding battalions. Dogra Regiment, led by our NCC boys, lining up. The Bravo and Stamp are commemorated today. The victorious milestone achievements, landmark events, jubilant moments of our independence and honor today. Moving towards the flag, as esteemed guest, Mr. T.J. Venkateshwar will flag and render the salutations. I urge Dr. Rajshekhar sir, Dr. Krishnamohan sir, and our HM ma'ams to join the event.
పైకి గుంజండి
ఆర్డర్
పైకి
विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा सदा शक्ति बरसाने वाला प्रेम सुधा सरसाने वाला वीरों को हर्षाने वाला मातृभूमि का तन मन सारा मातृभूमि का तन मन सारा झंडा ऊंचा रहे में कांपे शत्रु देख कर मन में कांपे शत्रु देख कर मन में मिट जाए भय संकट सारा मिट जाए भय संकट सारा झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा बोलो भारत माता की जय बोलो स्वतंत्र भारत माता की बोलो स्वतंत्र भारत माता की जय स्वतंत्रता ही ध्येय हमारा इसकी शान न जाने पाए चाहे जान भले ही जाए विश्व विजय करके दिखलाए विश्व विजय करके दिखलाए तब होवे प्रणपूर्ण हमारा तब होवे प्रणपूर्ण हमारा झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा
Permission granted. Sergeant Moses from 10th standard has a good leadership qualities and made for 2023 with their goals. To lead his entire troop, marching is in a content necessitates watchfulness and unspoken unity. A clear, shrill voice makes orders. Global firepower revealed that India has maintained its position as the world's fourth most powerful military. The first platoon, Dogra Regiment with NCC boys. NCC is the largest uniformed youth organization. Dogra Regiment is an infantry regiment of Indian Army known for it. Played a key role in World War I and II as well as in the Indo-Pakistan wars with the motto Veera Vittal, meaning brave and valiant. We can see sir, NCC going with education. The next troop from 6th standard are here with the Gracious March, Naga Regiment, with the motto Go, Row, Ho, meaning attack, destroy, attack. It is known for 3rd Battalion, Rajputana Regiment by 7 boys. This regiment is the oldest infantry regiment. Sarvatra Vijaya, which means victory everywhere. The platoon, happiness, optimism and idealism. Now the 4th platoon of 8 boys, Maratha Light Infantry Regiment of the Indian Army. These young soldiers exemplify unwavering commitment and selflessness in the domain of bravery. The next platoon of senior NCC girls, Jet Regiment, is an infantry regiment of the Indian Army, one of the longest serving and most decorated regiment of Bengal Army. And battle cry of the Jet Regiment is Jet But Jet But, where victory be to the goal. The 6th platoon, Mahar Regiment, is with junior NCC girls. The inhabitants of Maharashtra comprises of men with sticks, Khatiwale, sons of soil, Bhumiputra, land Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, with the motto success and attainment. Mahar Regiment's progress we have achieved. The synchronized units marching with precise timing of beat and the coordinated gestures of participants created a mesmerizing display of discipline. The perfect moments, formations and maneuvers demonstrated. Regiments are a vital part of
కళ్యాణమ్మ మేడం గారి చేత స్థాపించబడిన సరస్వతి నిలయమైన మాంటిసోరీ పాఠశాలలో ఈరోజు జరుగుతున్న 78వ స్వాగతం. కరోనా రక్కసి విరుచుకుపడినప్పుడు ప్రజలు భయభ్రాంతులకు గురవుతున్న సమయంలో నేనున్నానని ముందుకు వచ్చి ఉచితంగా ప్రాణవాయువును అందించిన ప్రాణదాత, సకల దేవతలకు నిలయమైన గోశాల సంరక్షణ బాధ్యతను తన భుజస్కంధాలపై వేసుకున్న ధర్మరక్షకుడు, శాసనసభ్యుడిగా, పార్లమెంటు సభ్యుడిగా మరియు చిన్న నీటిపారుదల శాఖామణీయులు శ్రీ టీజీ వెంకటేష్ గారు ఈ సభకు ముఖ్య అతిథిగా విచ్చేసినందుకు మేమెంతో ఆనందపడుతున్నాం. ఇతరులకు మరియు మన టీజీ వెంకటేష్ గారికి ఉన్న ముఖ్యమైన తేడా ఏమిటంటే కుల మతాలకు అతీతంగా అడిగిన వెంటనే కాదనకుండా సాయం చేసే గుణం కలిగిన ఈ అపరదానకర్ణుడు మన కర్నూలు జిల్లావాసి కావడం మనందరికీ గర్వకారణం. నిరుపేదల కుటుంబాలలో వివాహాలు చేయడం ఎంతో కష్టంతో కూడుకున్న పనో మనందరికీ తెలుసు. అటువంటి వారి కోసం కుల మతాలకు అతీతంగా కళ్యాణ మండపాలు, షాదీఖానాలు కట్టించి సామూహిక వివాహాలు జరిపించి ఇప్పటికీ ఆ సత్సాంప్రదాయాన్ని కొనసాగిస్తున్న మనసున్న మహారాజు మన టీజీ వెంకటేష్ గారు. అంతేకాదు రాష్ట్ర మరియు కేంద్ర చట్టసభలలో కర్నూలు ప్రజల కష్టాలను ఎలుగెత్తి చాటి సమస్యల పరిష్కారానికై అవిరల కృషి జరిపిన జన హృదయ నేత మన టీజీ వెంకటేష్ గారు. ముఖ్యంగా రాయలసీమ ప్రాంత సమస్యల పరిష్కారం కోసం నిరంతరం కృషి చేసిన నికార్సైన రాయలసీమ బిడ్డ టీజీ వెంకటేష్ గారు. వీరు 1999 నుండి 2004 వరకు మరియు 2009 నుండి 2014 వరకు మన రాష్ట్ర శాసనసభ సభ్యులుగా ఉంటూ మన సమస్యలను చట్టసభలో ఎలుగెత్తి చాటారు. అలాగే 2018లో వీరు రాజ్యసభ సభ్యుడిగా ఎన్నికై అప్పటి నుండి కృషి చేశారు. అంతేకాదు ఒక ఔత్సాహిక పారిశ్రామికవేత్తగా ఎంతో మంది నిరుద్యోగులకు ఉద్యోగ భృతి కల్పించి ఎన్నో కుటుంబాలలో వెలుగులు నింపారు. ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ ట్రేడింగ్ కార్పొరేషన్కు మరియు ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ ఛాంబర్ ఆఫ్ కామర్స్కు అధ్యక్షులుగా పనిచేశారు. తండ్రికి తగ్గ తనయుడిగా తండ్రి గుణగణాలను, రాజకీయ వారసత్వాన్ని అందిపుచ్చుకొని తనదైన బాటలో పయనిస్తూ నేటి ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ ప్రభుత్వంలో పరిశ్రమల శాఖ మంత్రిగా ముఖ్య భూమిక పోషిస్తున్న టీజీ భరత్ గారు వీరి కుమారుడే. అంతేకాదండోయ్, టీజీ భరత్ గారు ఒకప్పటి మాంటిసోరీ పాఠశాల పూర్వ విద్యార్థి కావడం సంతోషదాయకం. ఇక ముందు కూడా టీజీ వెంకటేష్ గారు, వీరి కుమారుడు టీజీ భరత్ గారు చేపట్టబోయే పనులలో కలియుగ ప్రత్యక్ష దైవం ఏడుకొండల వెంకటేశ్వర స్వామి ఆశీస్సులు నిండుగా మెండుగా ఉండాలని మన పాఠశాల తరపున కోరుకుంటున్నాము. జై హింద్, జై భారత్ మాతా.
With us today to award the prizes. Please join us in congratulating the earned. We request our honorable chief guest to kindly step forward and bestow the prizes. The first prize for NCC Merit Rewards. The first Best Cadet Award along with cash prize of 4,500 for continuous 3 years is awarded to Sergeant Yadidya Moses of 10th Techno. It's a hat-trick, children. A good round of applause, please. From Senior Division NCC. And the second Best Cadet Award goes to Sergeant Patan Zahid Khan. Here's B. Namasvi of 3rd standard. Chivo.
Sir, 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 sir.
Zahid.
From Montessori who excelled in all the exams, a super achiever, NCO Zonal Rank 3, IMO Zonal Rank 3, International Rank 6, School Rank 4, ITKO International Rank 18, Regional Rank 12, NSO International Rank 7, Regional Rank 7, School Rank 2, IEO International and Certificate of Distinction, cash prize of ₹5,000 and a trophy are given to her for academic excellence in SO. Parents is here on the stage. Abhi request. The proud parents.
Hi, ma'am. Madam, put this side. Madam, Praveen.
Congratulations. We Montessori's father is the ex-student of Montessori. A big round of applause for the super champ. Round of applause, children. Loudly. Best Principal Award to Vijayalakshmi ma'am. Congratulations, ma'am. And it's a great honor to announce such. A big round of applause, children. Big round of applause, loudly. Yes, stay louder. Thank you. Congratulations, ma'am.
Sir.
So that we can instill a sense of patriotism and national pride in students with a lot of vigor and stability. We have a captivating performance showcasing richness of our cultural heritage and persuading the sacrifices to the decorum of our celebrations today. Let's welcome the students who perform the classical dance Bharata Kandame Nadesham.
విమోచన మా కమలలో చైతన్యం సాగిపోడు శ్రీరమున్నది ఈ నేలలో యుద్ధనీతి రక్తమున్నది
Applause for the latest dance. Wonderful tiny tots, that was exceptional and top-notch, perfectly capturing the spirit of the Independence Day, exemplifying the land of sacrifices, our India. We congratulate the teachers to organize, engage and execute such a huge swarms of little ones.
and artists.